Hello traders, welcome to KinFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinlakin. I am the lead instructor. I welcome everybody to this live session today. So in today's live session, in this live session we are going to analyze some synthetic indices markets. And if you have any other markets you want us to analyze, please drop it under the comment section. So we are going to check it together. So now we do some analysis yesterday, so which I want us to first cross check before we move ahead for today's analysis. You understand? So unfortunately, we don't have any signal to drop yesterday, but yesterday was Monday, so it normally happens sometimes on Monday like that. But let's see if we are going to get anything to trade today. So let's look into Boom 500. I think we checked that market yesterday, and okay. So Boom 500, you are expecting price to come back into this region because we declared that the market is in downtrend. Then we are expecting price to come back into this region so that we can go for sell. But unfortunately, price refused to come back. So now let's go to 4 hours time frame. Let's see whether we can find another particular market. So let's see some hidden supply. I can see some hidden supply here. These rejections here have the power to pull the price back. So in this case now, in this case, so we are going to be on distance. Possible that price will not come back into that place again. So, but if you are selling from here, that means our stop loss is going to be much. You understand? That is what it is. You understand? So it depends on you. You can enter for sale here or patiently wait for price to enter inside this box very well, to price to come back to like 4577, then we enter for sell. You understand? So let's price come back here because the stop loss is going to be much if we say we should enter from here. So to be on the safer side, let's patiently wait for price to pull up. So if price pull up back to that box, so then we go for sell immediately. So that is Boom 500. That is Boom 500. So we're actually going to sell Boom 500 at the price level of 4577. So take note of that, guys. Boom 500 sell. Boom 500. So we're actually going to sell. So I'm going to drop the signals under the Telegram channel. So if you are yet to join the channel, just click on the link that is under the description of every video on this channel to join the Telegram channel. You understand? So now I'm dropping this analysis on the channel already. You understand? So so that I can notify the people on the channel. So if you have not joined, join the channel. So let's look into another market now. Let's check Boom 300. I think we also analyzed Boom 300 yesterday. So let's check Boom 300. So just give me a second. I'm trying to drop the signals on the Telegram channel. So if you are not on the channel yet, click on the link under the description of every video on this channel. Sell Boom 500 at 455. Make sure you take note of the price. 4577.88. Then SL stop loss should be 4600.91. Then TP1 should be around here. Sorry, TP1 should be around somewhere here because this place has the price to change the direction, had the power to change the direction of the market. So TP1 is going to be 45429010.90. Then TP2 is going to be 4504.59. So that is that, guys. So I've dropped the signals on the Telegram channel already. Understand? So let's look into another markets now. Let's check Boom 300. Sorry, crash. Yes, let's check Boom 300. So now, guys, I think the signal my analysis yesterday, because I was expecting price to come back here yesterday, but price refused to bounce back to this level. So this analysis is still valid. So once we experience price at this support level, you understand? So we are going to go for buy immediately on a Boom 300. So we are going to cash multiple spike on a Boom 300 once we allow price to come back here. So we are going to be patiently waiting for price to come back into that region. You understand? So that is that on Boom 300. Now let's look at Crash 500. So as we analyzed yesterday, so I was expecting price to come back into this region, but price refused to come back there. So another thing we'll be looking at today, this trend line is out of it now. So I'm waiting for price to come back here. I'll be waiting for price to come back here. Once I see price inside the box, because there's an supply here, so once the price come back into that place, there is possibility for a reversal there. Let me force the trend line. So once we go to 15 minutes time frame, you will see that that place will show a resistance level. You can see very clear that price struggles to break here. So once we have the price coming back into this level again, we are going for sell. Crash 500, take note of that. Crash 500. So we're anticipating for sell on crash 500. So once price come back into that resistance level, so we are going for sell immediately. You understand? Crash 500. Take note of that. So let's look into another market. Let's look at crash 300. All right. So crash 300, we expect price to come back into this level. So, but as it is now, it's like price is coming back already. So once price come back here, we enter for buy on crash 300. Take note of that too. Crash 300, we anticipating for buy on crash 300. We're anticipating for buy on crash 300. So once price come here, go for buy immediately. So if you want us to analyze any market, please drop it under the comment section so that we can check it together. Now let's look into 1000 markets, boom 1000 and crash 1000. So as you can see, this is 4 hours time frame. What can I see? The market is actually falling. You understand? So what we should be thinking of is how to sell. Though you may see at a strong support level at this region. You understand? So that is if you want to go against the trend, we should perform that here because it's possible price gets here and change the trend. But that is on based on assumption and based on what we see. But sometimes price will retest back to this level, then continue the sell. You understand? So no matter what, even if this place is going to change the trend, once price gets to this level, we still see a pullback. You understand? So in that case, we'll be waiting for price to come back into this level. One price come back into this level, we are going for sell. Crash 1000. That is what we'll be waiting for. You understand? Once price come back into this level, we are looking for sell. So let's check another market. Let's check boom 1000 before we go to volatility markets. I think we have some new added markets now. Boom 900, boom 600, crash 900, crash 600. Understand? So I don't know whether they have updated it on the MT5. So let's check boom 1000 first. All right. So in this case now, so we're actually going to be looking for buy at this level. You understand? So if I'm going to drop the signal now for buy 1000 buy. We're going to buy on boom 1000 now. So we are buying on boom 1000 now. So we are buying on boom 1000 now. Guys, buy boom 1000 now. Buy boom 1000. So I'm dropping the signal already on the Telegram channel. So buy boom 1000. SL is 13969.04. TP1 is 144113.99. TP2 14226.92. So I've dropped the signal on the Telegram channel. So they are buying from 1000 already. So guys, now let's move into volatility market resistance. So we are buying boom 1000 already. So we are expecting spike to happen. So now if spike refuses to happen to this level, then we exit the trade in loss. So but there's a possibility for pullback for a spike to begin at this level. So now let's look into some volatility markets. First of all, let's check volatility 50. So this is 50-50, guys. The market is in a downtrend, a very strong downtrend. You understand? So now there's no any signal we can actually rely here. You understand? So in this case, we have to move to the next market, which is volatility 10-1s. Now I think volatility 1s has break the. We don't know whether that is a break, that is a fake out, but the market has been ranging for a very long time. I think since November 2022, price has been ranging. So now I think there's a breakout of that range of that channel. So, but we don't know if that should be a fake out. So now we have this trend. We have this trend. So let's risk this trade. Understand the reason why I say we should risk it is because it may be a fake out, but that is something about trading. So you have to face your fear. We have seen some reversal patterns there, so which give us an edge to buy. So let's risk 72 pips, 22 pips rather. Let's risk 22 pips. Then let's target. Let's make it 1:2. So we are buying volatility 10-1s. We are buying volatility 10-1s. So I'm dropping this signal into the Telegram channel now. So if you are not on the channel yet, please join the channel. I'm dropping the signal there now. We are buying volatility 10-1s. So remember we are buying 1,001s now. So I've dropped the signal on the comment section too. Buy volatility 10 next. So we have two signals ready now. So we are buying the 1000. We are also buying volatility 1S. So we have two signal running now. We have the 1000 running and we have fixed 1S running. So guys, the two signals are in profits now. So if you're on the Telegram channel, you will receive the signal very early. So the two signals are in profits now. Any market you want us to check, please. So now let's look into another market. Let's check volatility 75. So after this, we are going to call it a day. So we all know volatility 75 is falling, that is selling massively. So to join this, we want price to come back into this level. Then we join this sell. So let's price come back here, then we join this sell. So guys, that will be all for this live for today's live session. So we meet again tomorrow, same time at this time. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsibly. The two signals are still valid. So if you want to join, you can still join the signal. The signal is still valid, it's still at entry point. So guys, I wish you happy trading.